I done reckon that their National Weather Service forecast office over yonder in State College, PA, done issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Blair County in southwest Pennsylvania, Cambria County in southwest Pennsylvania, Center County in central Pennsylvania, and Clearfield County in northwest Pennsylvania. At about 10 o'clock a.m. time, that their National Weather Service Doppler radar infernal contraption done detected a group of severe thunderstorms a little north of Interstate 80. These here storms are done capable of producing heavy-ass rainfall, damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, heavy-ass hail, and turning that could done produce a tornado. I done reckon you should get your rear end indoors, or into a vehicle immediately. In the event of a tornado, get your ass to the lowest floor of a building or other sturdy structure. If you ain't able to get your ass indoors, get to a ditch or other low area. And lie with your hands on your head. Please report hail, wind, and tornado damage to that their National Weather Service, when you can done do so safely.